joy tunes. Hello, hello, welcome friends. Let's have fun till the end. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Splash, splash, jump around. Happy boots touch the ground. Quack, quack, little duck. Swim around, happy luck. Hop, hop, little frog. Jumping through morning fog. Umbrella keeps us dry, feels just right.
Clouds move far away.
Sun is here, bright today. Rainbow in the sky, shining bright, oh so high. Butterflies dance with me, happy friends, 1, 2, 3. Run and laugh, play all day, sunny skies, hip hooray! Clap your hands, stamp your feet, dance together to the beat. Birds all sing, trees all sway, what a bright, happy day! Thank you, little rain. Now we'll play once again. Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Sing again this afternoon. See you in the next fun adventure. Bye-bye.